Hello, I want to show you how you can install our app, DISVTUHUB, to buy airtime, data, subscribe to your DSTV, GoTV, electricity, NECO, WAEC, JAMPIN. So this is how to start. A link will be shared with you. All you need to do is to tap that link as I'm doing now. So you can see the link here. So this similar link will be sent to you. So if you tap it, app, this install app, that is what you will tap. Okay, I have installed it before, so I will not need to install it again. But for you, you just tap this install app, and once you tap it, it automatically take you to the page where you can sign in or register. This notification, this is what you will see. All right, after you have signed in, after you have registered, and then it will take you to that page. So now what I'll do, I'll tap on understood, and then I will tap on proceed. For you as a new person, you can read those informations on the page. It's meant to guide you. So the next thing, I tap on proceed. If I tap on proceed, you can see it's taking me to my login page. Now this login page, you can see this is my login page. Then you say register now. So for you, you need to register, okay, as a new person. You see the register now button in red or orange color down. So you tap it. Once you tap it, it will take you in. Okay, so I put in my pin, then I will tap on proceed. Once I tap on proceed, you can see it has opened. So this is the page, the home page, the first page that will open once you have successfully logged in. Okay, so if you want to buy airtime, you just tap on this button. You can see this is airtime. So any amount of airtime you want to buy. Okay, if you want to buy data, this is where you come to. Okay, you just tap on the data button, it will take you there, and then you can see all this information here. So MTN SME, MTN SME2, MTN Smart, MTN Data, Airtel CG, Airtel Smart, Airtel Data, Glow CG, Glow AWOF, Glow Data, mobile, 9 mobile data, and Smile payment. So those are the options. So I will go for MTN SME2. Okay, it's selected there. This is where you fill the basic information. So I will tap on this kindly choose. If I tap on it, you can see the data plans available. 500 MB for 7 days, 400, 1 gigabyte MB, 1 gigabyte for 7 days, 550, 1 gigabyte for 30 days, 600, 2 gigabyte for 30 days, 12. So you can see the data plan there, so you can make your choice. And then once you are done with that, you come and put the phone number, and then you come and put your PIN. Once you're done with that, you see this little note under it, add number to your phone book. If I tap it, the number will be saved, so that subsequently I will just tap the phone book there, and it will bring out the number, so I will not need to type it again. Then I can select contact person's name if you want to, but it's optional. Then you tap on buy now. So that is how to buy data from here. The same thing for DSTV, pay TV. You can see pay TV. You just tap the button. You can see select cable TV, go TV, DSTV, start time. Then once you select it, it will take you now. The next thing is to select package. So you can see the various package available. Okay, so that's how it is. And then select the IUC number and then transaction pin, and then you can save the IUC number if you want. So that's how to do that. Electricity bill, the same thing. Just tap it, select the company. If it's AEDC, for example, you select, choose meter, is that prepaid or postpaid, then choose amount, then choose meter number, then transaction pin, and then add the meter number to your phone book. So you can see that it's very simple and easy to use. That's how it works. Then education pin. For example, you want to buy WAEC or NECO, you can see WAEC registration pin, WAEC result checker pin, NECO result checker pin, JAMB without mock, JAMB with mock, JAMB direct entry. So those are various education pins you can buy on the app. Okay, so that is how this app works. So but the next thing after you register is to add funds to your account, is to add funds. The good thing about it is that once you are registered on the app, it will automatically create a virtual account for you. So if you want to add fund to your account, you just tap this plus button at the bottom in orange background, this plus button. Once you tap it, it will bring you to this page. You have two options there, and take note, once you make payment to any of the account, your virtual account, it will automatically reflect in your wallet. All right, so if I want to do transfer, I will just select this account. I have two accounts, so two accounts may also be created for you, but at least you have one. So if I set that, I will select on which one I want to pay to. I will just write the account number, and then I can go ahead and do transfer to that account. So to test it, at least you can transfer 500 just to test the app initially, and then once you have seen how it works, then you can know how to transfer on it. Okay, so that's how to use the app. Thank you. God bless.